Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing okay. If you're new, welcome. My name is Claire. I've got another unboxing and it is from NUXE. And this is the Get Vacay Ready Beauty Box. It has a value of £93 and can be bought for £22. They've just released a couple of new ones. Not just one, they've released a few. There's loads of beauty boxes on the NUXE website. So I'll pop a link to the actual page where you can see all the beauty boxes. Plus I'll pop a link just to this one as well. So if you're interested in getting this one for yourself, then there's a direct link down there. And you'll also find all my other discount codes and offers for other websites and any giveaways I've got currently running. So you're welcome to take a look. So yeah, so Get Vacay Ready then. That's what it looks like. Card. And I'm letting you have a sneak peek first. When an adventure calls, our Get Vacay Ready beauty box has answers. Whether you're jetting off on a beach retreat or exploring the pavements of culture-filled cities all day, check out these 6 must-have holiday essentials designed to get you looking and feeling great ahead of your holiday. Let's start off then with Bloom and Blossom Legs Out Reviving Leg and Foot Spray. 72 mils there. Let's try my hand. Feels nice for a spray. It smells really nice. A soothing amber, jasmine, Sicilian lavender, ylang ylang and heliotrope. What the heck is a heliotrope? Blend erases your tired legs and feet. Just spray on your ankles, feet and legs to revive them. This lightweight formula helps alleviate water retention and refresh tired legs. That sounds really good actually. That sounds really, really nice. I always suffer really badly from water retention. That would be a really handy suitcase staple. I love Skinny Tan, Fake Tan, it's one of my favourite brands. This is Mousse, streak free, natural looking self tan, easy to apply, long lasting formula, delicious coconut scent, and there's 50 mils there. And that's a nice size as well to take away. I'm thinking before I go on holiday anywhere, I always do a fake tan beforehand, and then when I'm away and I top up a couple of days later, I usually have a spray. It's just easy just to spray. A nice little cabin friendly size fake tan there, and I've tried this before and it is really nice. The Skinny Tan Mousse is perfect for first time tanners with an easy to apply formula rich in hydrating ingredients. It's long lasting, quick drying and smells amazing. Yeah. Is that. Then we've got Urban Apothecary. This is Cherry Blossom Luxury Hand and Body Wash, and there's 100 mils. And my last NUXE unboxing, we had one of these, but it was a peony. So this is different. Cherry Blossom. I've never had a Cherry Blossom. I don't think so anyway. I have had quite a few NUXE boxes. Oh my gosh, that's gorgeous. I don't want to squirt too much or else it'll go up my nose. That is so nice. That is gorgeous, really, really gorgeous. I love that. Beautiful. I think that's the favourite from Urban Apothecary so far. Got Cherry Blossom. Infused with cherry blossoms, jasmine petals, pink melon and more. Skin is left feeling beautifully cleansed and hydrated. Then we've got another holiday favourite of mine. This is the NUXE Dry Body Oil for hair and skin. And there's 10 mils there. It smells absolutely gorgeous. My favourite is the neroli version. It's behind me with my perfumes. Oh, it's just such a gorgeous, gorgeous scent. Although I've just learned, which I should have known by now, never to use oils on top of fake tan because it gets rid of fake tan. So that's not good. That is not good at all. So I always wear fake tan if I go anywhere, and I love these oils. No wonder they don't last long on my legs, because that is mainly where I put them, on my legs, because my legs go quite dry after a few days of fake tan. It just looks all a bit like tiger loafy. It depends on the tan, and it depends if I've exfoliated enough beforehand and moisturised and everything. But yeah, these oils are gorgeous. I need a non-oil product feels the same as an oil that I can use on fake tan body. If there is such a thing, I'd love to know, please let me know. But I do love this though. This is gorgeous. I'm still going to continue to use it for nights out and things like that here. It's just beautiful, especially summer months with the neroli one. Oh, I love that. Infused with plum, sesame botanical oils and soothing notes of neroli, this oil nourishes and moisturises your skin, hair and body, giving it a beautiful glow. Then we got Rituals. This is the Ritual of Karma Hydra Boost Complex 48-hour Hydrating Body Cream. This is what I need. I know, this is what I need to keeping my fake tan looking alright. It's in the scent of lotus flower and white tea, and there's 70 mils there. This is gorgeous again. I love this range. It smells amazing. There. It's a nice thick cream. You're not going to see anything, but I just wanted to smell it. I do really like it. Yeah, it's beautiful. After a long day in the sun, nourish your skin with Ritual's Hydrating Body Cream. Fast absorbing, this lightweight cream features Hydro Boost Complex to ensure dehydrated skin feels rejuvenated, all with the renewing scent of lotus flower and white tea. And then lastly, we've got a huge bottle, full size, of Ren Clean Skincare. This is AHA Smart Renewal Body Serum. I haven't tried this. Exfoliates and smooths, and there's 200 mils. Improve your skin tone and texture, an innovative formula that promotes firmer, smoother skin. Lactic acid gently buffs away dead skin cells, while probiotic extract locks in moisture so your body feels hydrated. Gently massage all over the body onto clean skin until absorbed. Put it on my other hand. Ooh. Put quite a bit. Ooh. It's a mixture of oranges and smelly feet. Well, it feels lovely. Gonna exfoliate my hand, and I'm gonna wait until it is all absorbed. But yeah, it smells more like a vitamin C soluble supplement, you know, not quite full on orange. There's something there. It's not smelly feet. Initially I thought it was, but it's not. So a renewal body serum. So there's all the products inside this Get Vacay Ready Edit from NUXE. We've got a cherry blossom hand and shower gel from Apothecary. We've got the original Skinny Tan Mousse. We've got NUXE dry oil for body and hair. We've got a bloom and blossom legs out revitalizing leg spray. We've got a 48 hydrating body cream from Ritual Karma by Rituals. And we've got an AHA Renewal Smart Body Serum by Ren Clean Skincare. The cost of the box is £22. It has a value of £93. I really like this one. It's got some nice sizes in there. There's so many boxes available on NUXE, and I noticed that there's a lot of crossovers. I might have mentioned this in previous videos, but you might see the same sort of product in different boxes. So whenever I see a box that I think, oh yeah, that is nice, so I get that one. So it's not just any old box I get the box for a reason. You can see exactly what you're getting, so you make a decision there and then. So yeah, I'm quite happy with it. I'd love to know what you think though. Do you think it's worth the money? Do you think, nah, it's a bit boring? Or do you think, it's not too bad? Please comment down below, and I'll speak to you all again soon. Take care. Bye.